Hello and welcome to Nirmani.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. Variety is the spice of life, and having a diversified portfolio is much more important whenever you are going out to make an investment in mutual funds. So in this video, we'll discuss in detail what are the yardsticks, what are the parameters that you have to keep in mind whenever you're choosing to basically diversify your mutual funds. So without further ado, let's get to the point. So the number one thing that you can do over here is that you need to diversify your mutual funds based on the different kinds of schemes or based on the different kinds of merits. For example, you can put some amount of your money in maybe equity based mutual fund. You can put a little bit of amount of your money maybe in debt based, maybe in balanced, maybe in blue chip companies, maybe in government based companies, or maybe in the mutual funds which invest in foreign based companies. So like that, you will be able to get the best of all the possible kinds of mutual funds that are available, and that's how you will be able to diversify your mutual fund portfolio in a much more better manner. The next thing that you have to do is that you need to ensure that you have variety in your holdings as well. Now, what do I mean by that? You need to invest in not just long-term mutual funds. You need to also invest in maybe large cap funds, maybe the companies which are like 20,000 crore worth companies, maybe the companies which are mid cap, maybe the companies which are small cap, maybe blue chip companies, maybe some startups, maybe some tech startups, maybe some companies of like which have recently introduced their IPOs. So like that, you will be able to get the best of all these possible kind of combinations that are available, and that's how you'll be able to diversify your mutual fund portfolio in a much more better manner. The third thing that you have to keep in mind is that you need to choose different AMC. Now, what do I mean by AMC? AMC is basically asset management company. Many times it happens that we might be diversifying our mutual fund portfolio, but we are not diversifying the companies in which we are investing. Maybe you are a fan of, say, Axis Bank, and you are investing in Axis Bank short-term funds. Maybe you're investing in Axis Bank large cap, Axis Bank's blue chip fund, etc., etc. But what people don't keep in mind is that all these particular companies have one particular chief investment officer who basically is the flag bearer of this entire portfolio, of this entire company, and the ideology and the philosophy that the company works on. So many times every particular investment officer, chief investment officer, has like he wishes good for his particular funds, whichever company he's representing, but many times his calculations or his predictions might go wrong. So in that case, you will be able to not be able to basically take the benefit of having like different kind of mutual funds in your portfolio. And if at all you are choosing one particular kind of company, maybe you're choosing different kinds of durations or maybe different kinds of funds, but just because you're choosing any one particular company's mutual funds, you'll not be able to get the benefit of doubt from that particular company. If at all the investment philosophy of that particular investment manager is wrong, then you will be basically suffering all the bad aspects of that particular investment. So do not do that. Have multiple different kinds of investments and different kinds of AMCs in your portfolio in order to get the best from all these particular AMCs that are available in the market. The fourth thing that you have to do is that you need to invest in different time horizons. You can put some money in maybe 1 year based mutual funds, maybe for 2 years, maybe for 3 years, maybe for 5 years, maybe for 15 years, and maybe for 30 years. Now I'll tell you why it's important. You might be having different kinds of goals and objectives. Maybe in the next 1 year you want to buy a new laptop, maybe in the next 2 years you want to buy a new bike, maybe in the next 5 years you want to buy a new car, maybe in the next 10 years you want to buy a new house, and maybe after 30 years you'll be getting retired. So for all these different kinds of investments, for all these different kinds of commitments, or maybe these different kinds of desires of yours, it's extremely important that you invest in the right kind of mutual funds. Because maybe if at all you are choosing for like a 1 year particular investment option, 1 year particular mutual funds, then in that case you need to heavily invest in debt based mutual funds. And if at all you are looking out for a long term perspective or long term vision, you need to invest in equity based mutual funds, because they will be able to basically help you to generate more revenue for your respective objective. So in that way, you will be able to get the best of all possible kinds of time durations, and you'll be able to like basically meet the emergencies that are coming up in your life. Maybe there's a medical emergency tomorrow, maybe you lose your job tomorrow, so you'll be able to easily liquidate your short-term mutual funds, and you'll not be disturbing or hampering your long-term based mutual funds, which are kept for your retirement, which are basically kept for your bigger objectives. And the last thing that you have to keep in mind is that you need to diversify according to different benchmarks. Do not always go with the crystal rating. You can always, and do not always go with maybe the returns that particular fund is giving. Do not always go with the reputation that particular fund has. You need to have a mix and match of all these kind of things, because every particular disease has a different medicine. You cannot you cannot plaster a person who has a fever. You cannot give a paracetamol to a person who is having loose motions. So in a similar way, you cannot give the same kind of medicine for different kind of diseases, and that's why it is recommended recommended that you need to have different kind of parameters, different kind of yardstick to judge different kind of mutual funds. Maybe some mutual funds might be showing you some amazing returns, but that mutual fund might not be having the right kind of CRISIL rating. Maybe mutual fund is like highly recommended and has given phenomenal returns in the last 15 years, but maybe they might have changed their management. The manager who was basically handling that particular mutual fund might have left that job, and that's why now the mutual fund might not be giving you the right kind of returns. So in that case, in that scenario, it's always recommended that you have like a variety in terms of the benchmarks as well. Do not go with any one single point agenda, and always have a variety in terms of the deciding factors on choosing the right kind of mutual funds. So if you actually want to learn more about how to choose the best mutual funds, you can download the Financial Freedom app. There we have made several courses on personal finance, business, career building and farming, which are available in 6 languages, and which are basically, there are more than 55 plus courses that are available. So do check it out. Link of this app is provided in the description box. My name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.